So about 2 years ago, Amy Black and Veitch came to a strategic board meeting and said, we've got a technique for repairing pipes that's been used in America. We think you could use it in Scotland. And of course, being nice and simple, I said, if it's good enough for America, it's good enough for Scotland. And it's been fantastic 18 months to 2 years down the road to come here and see this in action.
This is a Roundknowe pipe bridge, and the work that we're doing here is to carbon fibre wrap the pipe. It's a 900 diameter pipe. It's got a lot of corrosion and it needs rehabilitated.
Carbon fibre itself is unique in the sense that other wrapping products don't give the pipe its strength again. You don't have to physically replace the pipe, and the benefit of that then, following on, is you don't have to overcome sewage.
It's very low key compared to traditional civil site. You would have seen a lot of cranes here and a lot more site traffic. So it's got quite a low footprint. There's a nice thing where there's a 10% cost reduction in this project. There's also 25% saving in time, which is really significant. Because obviously the shorter duration on site saves money, but it also, from a health and safety perspective, from an impact to the golf course and to the local residents, it's just wonderful to be able to do that. We've actually sent guys from Scotland across to California and to Texas for training. However, we did need their expertise and their long-term expertise, and we brought a team from California here.
I've been with fibre wrap construction for a little over 16 years now. We're learning just like they're learning from us, we're learning from them. You know, we're learning to work together, and they've had a really good attitude the entire time, and they're willing to learn.
This is a great example of the collaboration between ABV, our supply chain, environmental techniques, and Scottish Water. It's got a lot of work to go through the technical checks and balances required, but an absolutely fantastic example of working together.
It's been great collaboration. It's been difficult at times due to time zones. It's a big learning process, so we're all involved in learning, and we feel as if we're actually sharing that learning experience, but being able to take it into the next job is the aim.
We have many more pipe bridges and pipes to repair, so what we can do is we can take all the innovation from this project and look how we take it on to future projects, and that will deliver customer benefits, environmental benefits, increase the cost savings and get us better time savings. So really good.